Okay.
What?
I picked sharp.
Good. I like pains. That's enough. Enough.
Gotta get used to it there.
You're not taking. My goodness, we're going down 4.
Hey, you gotta leave this
I think you should have
alone.
another one and you can run the fifth. Oh my goodness.
You gotta leave this alone.
Wrong time to talk about it.
I think we're losing a customer.
We're used to doing this in the office too.
Well, I will lose a good customer here if we talk about it now.
Look at the hair on you. The way I look
I don't think this is dark. Billy's gonna look on my side. Finally, a dark. His mom's got 7 grandchildren, all 10 guys. Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, good boy. Perfectly round head. You didn't get any molding or anything.
That's why it was so prolonged. She was pretty hard to collapse.
Yeah, that's fine.
We'll just put a little ice on here, but it's really not much of a... Like I said, it's a skid mark.
Let me do it in as far as you can.
8, 9?
I suppose good as they come around.
That's right.
You have a cat? Yeah.
Good. Junk in
Oh,
there already.
fine. Yeah, such a good mountain stuff. What are you choking? I'm getting to bed. Now, don't move your feet.
I can't control this leg here.
The testicles usually are, the scrotum is usually a little fluid filled, and plus the pressure during delivery does that, and that's normal. That's normal. Are you sucking on your hand?
Got long fingers like that.
I have to take footprints here, and I do take an extra set to get a set to take home. Okay with me? Oh, are you going to complain? Are you going to take good footprints, though? You're not going to fight me, are you? Okay, this is from Mom and Dad. Show that you have all your toes. Yeah, you are complaining.
I'm still shaking. I know.
That's normal. That's very normal. Well, that's not too much you can do to control it. You're not even going to complain when I take footprints. Well, are you going to be happy with that?
He takes after his sister.
Yeah, she worried me because she didn't.
Oh. You know, patient.
Wants to hide your daughter.
Hi, Alex. Come visit me, okay?
Said, look,
Yeah.
Mommy had a baby.
Mama had a baby. This is little Billy. Remember I told you we were going to have little Billy?